Welcome to EMO Hannover 2025. We are very proud to officially launch UMBRAGROUP's brand new high-performance ball screws, a next-generation solution that redefines the standard of precision, smoothness, and high performance in motion control. This new series of high-speed and high-smooth ball screw has been engineered to ensure outstanding fluid motion, from ultra-fast traverse movement to ultra-low speed machining. The outstanding performance of this series is the result of a purpose-driven design. The use of innovative materials in recirculation systems and a refined manufacturing process for the screws and the nut raceway. Together, these advancements deliver motion that is not only faster and smoother, but also more reliable and consistent in the most demanding applications. Our customer operates in a very demanding and competitive market and drive us to always innovate. By working closely with them, we design and deliver solutions that not only improve machine performance, but also help to increase productivity, reduce downtime, and ensure long-term value creation. This new ball screw series is a testament of our DNA, problem-solving, co-innovation, and building long-term partnership with our customers in an ever-evolving industrial landscape. Let's move motion technology together.